Alright guys, so we're about to drive probably 10 hours to Atlanta to go pick up Mac and then to tail the dragon for like awesome weekend. But we got this package in. This is something we've been waiting on. I think this single-handedly might be our most exciting purchase to date. For the past like 5 years we've been hanging out at trucks and stuff, but we finally saved up a little bit and got this sweet arm. So this is gonna live on the back of the Tahoe and it's gonna be legit. Problem is I have no idea how to use any of this. Luckily we get to go on a trip for 2 weeks and have a blast, and when we get back this is gonna be waiting. So that excites me. How the hell? Oh baby, here we are, Poco Lodge. Woo! Dude, we're freaking, I'm second gear just hauling right now. Woo-wee! Dude, people are gonna get so sketched out in the cop truck. I might actually have one of you guys pull over so I can do a high speed corner.
I just got hard.
Yes.
God, that makes me hard. I was locked up once, back in 1980. Why does everybody got to stare, you know?
Yeah, we staring.
It's fucking American over here. I think you got enough stickers, dude. Let's go, come on. Kill the dragon. Let us show all these people what it's like to actually be a real dragon. Dragon slayer. Hey, that big thing's a camera, isn't it? Yeah. That's a sick trunk. It's debadged, you know. Purples for the... What is this? Little tape. Aerodynamics. I'm more of a Honda guy. Yeah. JDM 2-wheel swap. I'm more Japanese. Yeah, in America though.
Yeah, okay.
I'm a Japanese American.
It's a trail map, yeah.
Yeah. They have a lot of waterfalls in the area. The big guy.
I'm a bad guy. That's good Billie Eilish, wasn't it? I gotta. How are we doing? Come. Right now we're on the Yellowfin Trail. And as you can hear, the magnificent water majestically running down the river. You smell that?
What do you mean? Smell it.
Bears. We're close, we're getting close. This is where I live. Come on in. This is my home away from home. Called Yellowfin House, Tail Trail. Down here, there's a shit. It runs right into the creek, which runs right into the neighborhood where people drink water. So I drink upstream. This is where I sleep, and in here. I think there's a bear in there right now though, so we'll let him stay there. I don't do much else. The place out for us.
We asked him if he could, we could use his swimming hole for some drone operations right now. Right now we're gonna try Mac. Show him what we're working with. Mavic 2 Pro. Kind of a sketchy place to fly this, I'm not gonna lie. We have a canopy above us. It's pretty tight quarters, but I think it'll be a cool clip. So
Let's see what we can do. Literally have no idea where this drone is. I'm gonna land her. Oh, I see her. I see it. I see it. I see it. All right, we're good to go, dude. See if we can drop it in here pretty easy. Looking good. Looking good. Wow. That's tight. Hold my own hand. I got my hand this time, dude. You good? What are you doing on my hill?
Holy
You're so talented.
Chris, you're my guy.
Really?
Yeah, you're a good dude.
Thanks, brother.
That's the old
You're
girl.
missing the manifold on the inside, but
Yeah.
yeah.
They're there. The turbine's in the back. It's in there.
Is that like
Silver
a
thing.
I'm
actual
backing down
HGS
here right now.
filter, or is that for
See
you?
if it-
That's an HGS filter. Good man. It's also an EJ207.
Do you need some toilet paper for this piece?
If that means anything to you.
No, I don't speak super.